Well, as we take a look at our Skycam here, looking off towards the northeast, it's clearing from the west. That means another cold night in store, but a beautiful day tomorrow. Check that out. There's a sunset with the clearing skies. They are bugging out to the southeast, and we are going to warm up because of that sun tomorrow, in spite of reinforcing dry air coming in from the north. Today we had 1/100 of an inch of rain. That's all that drizzle and light rain last night since midnight amounted to. Overall, the two-day total, 11/100 of an inch. That puts us a ½ inch below normal and almost an 1.5 inches below normal for the year. So we are dry and need rain. Unfortunately, not a lot in the forecast. The main energy going from Del Rio to Dallas, and that's where the heavy rain is, north and east of there now, into Memphis, Tennessee, and on into Cincinnati, Ohio. And you can see the little light rain that skirted the area here this morning, and that's about it. The rain is gone, skies are clearing, and it's actually warmer in Beeville because they had the late day sun than it is here, 59 versus 55. Got into the 70s in Cotulla this afternoon. They're down to 68 now. 55 degrees, our temperature will bounce around through the low to mid 50s here through 9 o'clock, and then low 50s by midnight. And then we'll see, again, a little bit of low fog form across the region with these very light winds, eventually dropping into the upper 40s. So another cold night. Generally here in South Texas, cold is defined as 50 or less. I know people up north, or you winter Texans watching, would laugh at that, but that's the way it is here in good old South Texas. You can see the clearing skies from the west, and again, we had a lot of clouds today that won't be with us tomorrow as this high pressure drives them on out of here to the east, and warm air will follow here by the time we get to the weekend. Arctic air up here to the north, mainly moving southeast, snow out ahead of it, and bitterly cold temperatures behind it, sub-zero in the northern plains and Rockies. Look at that cold air. You can see it right there in the water vapor imagery. You don't see that very often. And here's the dry air coming in from the southwest in brown. That's why we're going to see the serious sunshine here the next couple of days, even into Saturday before it clouds up Sunday. The way that's going to happen, that low's moving out, taking the cold air with it, and we get into this westerly flow here through Friday. Then it's a little bit more zonal, as it looked like earlier in the week this was going to be more southwest. So we have a weak warm front coming through, only isolated showers, westerly flow on Sunday, not much to speak of, and then this trough starts to dig out to the west, deteriorating weather here by Monday of next week. Lows tomorrow morning, 48 degrees here in Corpus Christi, down to 42. Ooh, that's cold up in George West. 51 along the coast on Padre and Mustang Island. 50, a chilly start again for us. 61, nice and milder at noon, and 64, sunny and warmer at 5 p.m. In spite of a moderate breeze, we'll have temperatures in the 60s tomorrow, low 60s on the coast to upper 60s further inland. Clouds and rain, the clouds leave the area by 4 a.m. and then it's sunshine after that. And the winds stay light overnight, which will contribute to a little fog, and then there's a secondary push that comes through mid-morning. Mariners watch out for that as it'll be breezy in the morning, tapering off again in the afternoon. Much better the next couple of days. 48 and 68 tomorrow, 44 and 66 here on Friday. Saturday we hit 70, and then that little warm front moves through, but not much fanfare in the rain department. 78 Sunday, 82 Monday, but windy here Monday through Wednesday. Another pretty substantial front here next Tuesday night keeps us in the 50s again for highs middle of next week.
Keep the jackets around.
Indeed.